Well, it weighs on me with a heavy heart that I'll be getting rid of the Dodge Dakota RT. I don't have a lot of content about it, so I figured, you know what, right now while I snap some photos and put up the ad, I'll make a little video for YouTube for you guys to check it out. So it's got a little bit of a cult following for sure. It's very rare. You don't find them anymore. And I picked this thing up in really, really good shape. I mean, I've done a lot of work to it, you know, here and there. But with that being said, I'm going to go out, shoot some photos of it. So follow along. I'll give you a quick little teaser here. All right, guys, so this is the last time we're gonna see the Dakota. I got a handful of quarters, and we're here at the car wash this morning. So we have a buyer for it. They're gonna get an amazing, amazing truck. He's been getting the money together for just a little bit. I almost sold it to someone else, and then he reached back out, and I told him, you know what, if you're serious, you'll have the first dibs. So it worked out perfect. It's a beautiful, beautiful truck. So it's a bit dirty right now, but get it all washed up, cleaned up, get it all nice for him. I already have the interior. Actually, the truck was already clean, but it rained, and you can see how everything's looking. So I don't like to turn over cars like this to customers. So this is a 2000 Dodge Dakota RT 5.9 liters. All right, so this is the second shop truck that we sell on YouTube, I guess. You guys saw my first Mazda B3000, that little hoopty. It was all for all the transmissions and engines and just different things we threw in there. Then I upgraded to this Dodge Dakota RT 5.9 liter. And I don't know what I'm going to do as far as new truck yet, but we have a new buyer on this, someone very interested, and I kind of just have a new outlook on everything. Whatever I have, I'm just gonna sell. I don't really have personal cars anymore. So that truck's gonna go, as well as my two Audi S4s, a bunch of stuff I got, projects and personal projects, everything's gonna get sold. So just washed it up, gonna dry it, and then meet with the customer over at the office, and he's pretty stoked on picking it up. So beautiful truck. All right, so we're driving. This is the second spot that we come to take photos. The reason being is I want the background to be really nice, and these days, man, these cities, I mean, at least out here in LA, man, there's a lot of ugliness going around everywhere. Oh no, this truck is in my way. But will he move? Who knows? Let's see. weird feeling it is to be selling the Dakota.